Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Actually, there should be a line. Okay. So now talking about different system of units. So the system of units are three types basically. That is CGS system, FPS system, and MKS system. So what are these abbreviations actually? So therefore, CGS means centimeter, gram, and second. So in this case, a particular unit is been taken in centimeter, or particular unit is been taken in centimeter, and another one is taken as gram, and while the other, that is a time factor, it is being taken in seconds. So this is a CGS system. Even this has been involved or been used globally. Now talking about the another one, that is FPS system, that is foot, and in this case, foot means for measuring length. Pounds, again, the pound is for measuring the weight, while second is for measuring the time. So this is FPS system that is also been used. And talking about the last one, that is MKS system. In this case, MKS means the M means meter, while K means kilo, that is used for measuring the weights, while again second is for measuring the time. So these are the three kind of systems, and they have a particular unit, as we have learned now. So it is very much simple to understand that which kind of unit that we should use. Another talking about the another system is, that is SI unit, that we are using globally. So in this case, the SI unit that we'll use in our future thing, that is for solving problems or to understand a particular study. So in this case, in every case, SI unit is being used, that is system, international system. So therefore, the SI unit is the one which is being internationally accepted, even though these systems are also being involved in some countries or in some a particular system, they are also being involved. So now talking about that, there are different kind of systems. So this is the thing that we have learned now. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood that what is different system of units, and share this video with your friends. And yes, don't forget to subscribe Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.